Hello everyone, this is Carl at Legendary Leatherwork. How are y'all? Today I'm going to finish getting this belt ready. I'm going to edge it or paint the edges, and then we're going to slick the edges and get it all finished up. It's going to take a little bit, but I'll show you. I bought a new machine. It was from Tandy, and it dyes the edges, or helps me dye the edges very nice. So let me move you down into the other bracket. Let's see. Get you down here. All right, we are there. Let me get this other glove on so we can get started. I've already poured the dye in this machine, and I made a little bracket. Hopefully you can see it. Made a little bracket here, because what I'm going to do is put this belt inside this bracket. That way I can slide it evenly and it won't fall all over the place. They said the closer this little, yeah, that's just about right. The closer it is to the tub, or this little wheel right here on top, the closer this little panel is, the little drawer, it gets closer, the less it's going to put. In other words, it's not as sloppy. So we're hoping that's going to work. Let's see, I've got everything here. I put a little plastic bucket here so that when I'm done, I can lift out the little tray, the little wheel, and it will come right out. Okay, so let's turn this on. Just a light, nice turn. There we go. And what that does is dispenses the dye up top. I've got to be real careful because the belt is long, of course. So I'll put this down inside like so. Right down in there. And I'm leaning it up so it'll get the tip fairly easily, like so. And here we go. Nice and easy. It's keeping it nice and level while I'm pulling the belt through. Got to be careful. Don't want to get it sloppy and all over the place. Sorry, I'm not talking with you as much. I'm trying to concentrate because I don't want to get dye all over the place. That's why I put a plastic or some cardboard underneath it, just in case. So far, it seems like it's working pretty well, I think. You know, the first time I've used it, of course, I'm using hardest thing, and that's a belt. Go figure. But it should work just fine, hopefully. What I'll have to do is let this dry and go back and do the other side, which that's okay. Just a little bit of prepping. I'm already close to the other end, so that's pretty daggum quick. And hopefully, if everything goes right, I've dyed the edge without any gaps in it. So far, so good. There we go. Try to. All right. That seems like we're done with that one side, hopefully. Let me turn this off right quick. Don't need dye rolling around. Okay. Let me get it to you. Alrighty. That should be the first dye project. Trying to hold it down to where you can see it. All the way down. Now I'm going to have to get somebody to look at the inside or the edges. Make sure it's all black. If it is, that's good. If not, I'll just go back across it again, which will end up covering that whole section. Done the one side, and a few minutes later I'll do the other. And once they both dry, then I will go ahead and get ready to do the slicking, the slick part of it. Alright, well, I'll let y'all go, and I will see you pretty quick.